Last time, we focused on breaking down data silos and integrating systems. But centralization alone isn't enough. Without quality data, you're not getting far. According to Gartner, 85% of all AI models projects fail because of poor data quality. If your data is full of duplicates, missing values, or conflicting formats, even the best AI models will struggle. Fixing this starts with the right team: data engineers to automate cleaning and transformation, data quality analysts to enforce consistency, and ML engineers to optimize how AI interacts with datasets. So, how do you make sure your data is AI ready? First, deduplicate and fill gaps. Misaligned records and missing values lead to skewed predictions. Cleaning and normalizing datasets ensures AI models train on complete, usable information. Second, standardize formats. Different teams often store the same data in different ways: units, naming conventions, timestamps. Aligning these ensures AI can process inputs consistently across the organization. Third, automate validation and anomaly detection. AI-driven data pipelines need continuous monitoring. Set up automated checks to flag discrepancies before they impact downstream models. Data drift is inevitable, catch it early. In the next episode of the series, we'll talk about securing AI data, because even the cleanest datasets are a risk if access isn't properly controlled. Remember to follow us on LinkedIn, and see you in the next episode.